In this video, we explain you the surface and project settings in the FPWin Pro 7 software from Panasonic. Once you install the FPWin Pro 7 software, you find an icon on your desktop. When you double-click on it, the software opens and the entry screen appears. To explain the surface and project settings of FPWin Pro 7, we need to create a new project first. We select a PLC from the list. In this example, we use the FP0H with Ethernet ports on board. After that, we select our preferred programming language, for example, the ladder diagram. Then click on the button Create Project. The following screen in FPWin Pro 7 is splitted into several windows. In the upper middle part, we see the declaration window, also called header. All the variables can be found here, which are used in the PLC program once we created a program. The window below is the programming window, also called body, where you enter your program code. On the left side, we see the project navigation window. In this window, you can set the system settings for your project. For example, you can set the IP address of the Ethernet ports on your FP0H PLC in order to communicate later with the HMI panel. What is also possible, you can add external programming libraries to your existing project. By default, 4 libraries are already installed. Another important folder is the POU folder. POU stands for Programming Organization Unit and can be a program, a function block, or a function. Without POUs, it is not possible to create a PLC program. On the right side, we see the instruction window, which includes all the functions and function blocks from the before mentioned 4 implemented libraries. For example, you find the IEC standard library, which we mentioned in the previous video, and 3 other libraries with specific functions which are only valid for Panasonic PLCs. You can check here if your required function or function block for your PLC program is already available. Let's say you want to communicate via Modbus TCP protocol to an HMI panel. Then you can look into the folder Communication Instructions for Modbus protocol and select the appropriate functions. Last but not least, we have on the very top the toolbar as an essential part for programming efficiently. We can find here some shortcuts for programming in ladder language. By drag and drop, we can easily put them into our programming window. We can also find a shortcut for compiling the PLC project. Compiling means that the project is translated into machine code. After compiling, the program code can be downloaded into the PLC by this green shortcut. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out the other videos on our website.
Panasonic.